How to add multiple photos in WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. In here, at the bottom, click on Updates. After you click on Updates, you'll find your status option at the top. Click on Add Status. Then you'll find all your photos pop up. At the top, click on Layout. After you've clicked on Layout, select multiple photos as you want and press on tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the bottom you'll find different layouts. Select the layout you prefer. After you're done, press on Done at the top right. After you've done that, you can edit it. Add music if you want. If not, press on green button at the bottom right corner of your screen and you're good to go. This is how to add multiple photos in WhatsApp status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.